Hey guys, I just got here. I don't know why I'm whispering. And it's like right at 8 o'clock almost. It's like 7:52 or something. And nobody's here yet. So I don't know if I'm just super early, but we're supposed to be here at 8. Not 100% sure, but maybe it's not till 8:15. I don't know. Maybe I read the time wrong. But I feel like I've got some time. So I'm probably going to tackle the bulletin board first. Here's what my room looks like. They took out some of the garbage, but the rest of that is still garbage. And then I do have to take down that sign. Oh, the closet. And then my filing cabinet, which I decided I'm going to keep and use for storage. I might try to like make it look cute, but we'll see. So, first things first, we're going to tackle this. Just kidding, we're not going to tackle that first because all my stuff is in my car and all of the doors are locked. Also, just checked this. We're not supposed to be here until 8:30. Y'all, what am I doing with my life? Alright, let the poster takedown commence. Hey guys, we just got out of our staff meeting. It ended a little bit earlier than we thought, so I'm gonna go grab a bunch of the stuff from my car that I brought in today and start assembling everything. The first thing I want to see if I can cover is this mirror. I have to put the command hooks up first and then cut out the sheet to fit around it. So we're gonna see if I can even do that because I don't think I have an outlet except for over here, and the hot glue gun is not gonna reach that far. So I have these flat sheets from Walmart that I'm gonna use to cover that. Honestly though, I have no idea how they got these in here because I can't get them out. Like, this is no joke. There we go. Okay. I figured this was a better idea because it was cheaper. I think I got the twin size, and I think it was like $4.95, $5. Hey guys, hello! It's actually almost 4 o'clock. I'm about to head out of here. Today was an insane day. We had a ton of meetings today, and I met with a bunch of people to talk about caseloads and things like that, trying to get my caseload together and finalized as much as I can at this point in the year. So I didn't get to do too much setting up, but I did put up a few things. I thought it made it look a lot better, but then when I had visitors, they said that I had a lot of work to do. So it's gonna get there. But I'm going to flip you guys around so you can see what I did accomplish today in this room. First things first, I got that up. I have to bring in a razor blade or better scissors because it's all jagged on the bottom and it's driving me nuts. Also, I have to get my better chart paper because that's folded up in the corner, also driving me nuts. But it did get cut away. All the excess got cut away. I also did this bulletin board where I stapled it. I definitely have to go out and get some border paper. I also put up my today sign, even though August, the month part, is kind of crooked now. I'm going to use that instead. I was going to initially put this over on that board and use this as like the calendar. I also have that one down there. But honestly, with that being right there, I can just do it from there and I'll save this for something else. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it, but we'll figure it out. Here I made, let me back up. I made sort of like my command center, so I have my calendar, I have my 3 file folder pockets to put all of the different files for IEPs, triennials, eligibilities, a little spot for pens and pencils. I ended up keeping this, like I said, for storage, so I put like storybook companions in here, like all of my tissue boxes and everything that I put like the old lady on and whatnot when we're feeding them. This is all felt and food. This is craft supplies, and then the bottom drawer I have like Play-Doh, hands-on like preschool games and activities, which some of the stuff still has to go in there. I moved everything into my larger Halloween box, which is good. And then I also put up my mirror on the back of the door, which I wasn't going to initially, but I like that idea because then it's not super distracting because the kids will be facing this wall, so I don't have to worry about them like seeing themselves in the mirror or anything like that, which is awesome. I also got some professional development done today, and I'm about to head out of here, run some errands, and then probably go home and do some more, honestly, because we don't have to be back until 11 tomorrow. We do have an 11 to 7 day tomorrow and Thursday, so we get to come in a little bit later, but that's because we are staying later. I got these up and I can't tell if I like them. I don't know, I feel like they don't show up as big on camera. Maybe they do, but I think they're too big. We are making progress. I got most of this set up, pulled the table out to where I'm gonna want it, set the chairs up. All of this stuff I still have to get rid of. The stuff I still have to get rid of, but I did throw out all of the file folders. One of the teachers was nice enough to let me borrow her garbage, so the top 2, the prizes and the crayons, I'm going to be giving to another teacher, and then the rest is just garbage in case anybody also wants that Starlight container. I'm probably just going to throw out the things in there. There are some like really old dirty baby toys, like teething rings. Blech. No thank you. So, took down the pocket chart because I'm gonna, like I said, flip it between the chart paper and then the pocket chart, depending on what I'm doing. Already decided that that has to be made smaller. That's not staying there, but I need to see how much space the speech bucks take up, if I'm definitely going to be doing them. And then this bulletin board, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, actually. I have no idea. So, hopefully I can figure that out. I kind of want to make it something for goals, because it's right by the table and it's blank. So, we'll see. Here's the door. We've got that cute saying up there. Then I've got my new speech buck sign, which I'm going to put all of these together, I don't know, maybe this weekend. I probably have to buy a printer, so I don't know if that's going to happen. The articulation, I made my welcome back, I started that, didn't finish it. Be kind sign, the weather date chart, and then this is what that looks like. Still a little bit too long, but I am getting the border for that and this weekend. My closet looks the same. I don't know if I'm going to do anything to the outside of it. Probably not. I just put "you got this" on my letterboard. Over here is my command center. That about wraps it up for this week's vlog. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know when y'all go back to school. Have you started already? Do you have a few more weeks of summer? I'm curious to know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.